Since graduation na ngayon, I would like to confess my love for her. To my potassium, my vitamin K, from Yums to Miss K. Alvarez Bagasina. Hi. Congrats, Kay. Teka, nagbablush ako eh. Basta. Crush kita. I have always admired you from afar. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for motivating me to be the best version of myself para sa'yo. Okay, okay. Let me cook. Let me cook. Let me cook.
Want to cook?